So Kamal, we are live. We will just wait for a couple of minutes for people to join in, okay? Some people
Okay.
have already joined and some are joining. So we'll wait for a minute or two and then we will start. So how do you feel to be here, Kamal, with me today?
I feel nice today with having in this show.
Okay, good, good. So you've done a wonderful thing, Kamal. We are very
Yes.
proud of you. You have done a
Thank you,
wonderful
ma'am.
thing. We are very proud of you.
Thank you.
So you don't have schools right now?
No, ma'am. There are online exams.
Exams going on right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. So you have an exam tomorrow?
Yes, English should be.
Are you prepared for your exam or yet to prepare?
I have prepared.
Good. Are you a good student?
Yes.
Very good. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes till I can see some people have joined. Uh, for our audience who have joined, I request all of you to just send us a hi so that we know you are there and so that we can start. Please send us a hi. So some people have already joined, and so we will not keep them waiting. We will start. In the meantime, more people will join in. So
Okay.
hello and welcome to Exploring the Gold Mine. So today we have a very special guest on our show. I call him special because this braveheart, a young little boy, 12-year-old, has managed to conquer the mighty Brahmaputra. Why conquering Brahmaputra is not an easy but a Herculean task is because, for the people who don't know, it is the biggest river in India. It is also the deepest river in the country. Do you know that the average depth of River Brahmaputra is about 140 meters? The maximum depth being 340 meters. And the depth of this area, which Komal has managed to swim across, is 130 meters. By no means it's an easy task. Also to tell you a little more about the vast Brahmaputra river is that, as the name suggests, Brahmaputra, it is the son of Lord Brahma. Mythology attributes its origin to Amoga, the wife of sage Shantanu, who had a son from the creator of the universe, Lord Brahma, who later on went on to take the shape of water and hence the name Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is the pride of Assam and is used for irrigation and navigation by the people of Assam. I cannot miss to mention that Majuli, the biggest river island in the world, is also located on this river. And yes, the river is also sometimes called the Red River because of the soil, which has high iron content, is red in color, which gives a slightly reddish tinge to the water of Brahmaputra and hence called the Red River. It starts from the Himalayan glaciers, flows through Tibet, India, Bangladesh, and finally into the Bay of Bengal. So you can imagine the vastness and the glory of this huge river Brahmaputra, which this little braveheart at the age of 12 has managed to cross in mere 28 minutes from the Kharguli Ghat to Madhyam Khanda in North Guwahati. Welcome, Komal, to this show. We are very, very proud of you, Komal.
Thank you.
So, Komal, let me start by asking you what is your age, which school you study, and in which class you study. Tell us something about yourself.
Namaste. My name is Kamal Krishna Das. I am 12 years old. I study in St. Anthony School in class 8. My father's name is Dhananjay Das. My mother's name is Chitumani Das. And I live in North Guwahati, Rajadwar.
Lovely, lovely. So, you crossed, is it true? I still don't believe that you crossed the Brahmaputra in just 28 minutes.
Yes, I have
Is it
crossed
true?
Yes, I have crossed it on 25th October on 2020
Okay.
on
Okay. So, any reason that you chose this specific date, or it just happened on that date?
No, I have not choose the day. It was going direct only.
Okay. So let me ask you that when did you start learning to swim?
I start learning swimming when I was at the age of 7.
Okay, so did you take any formal training in swimming? I mean,
Yes,
you went to some training school and you learned there, or was it in school that you were taught, or how did it start?
yes, I take swimming practice in swimming pools with my grandfather and in the river with my father.
Okay, so you did not go to any swimming classes, or you did not go to any other trainer besides your father and your grandfather, is what you're saying?
Yes, I go in the swimming pools. My grandfather is in charge of Saraswati Stadium. He teach me
Acha,
there.
okay. Okay, he taught you there. All right, that was excellent. কমল যদি তোমাৰ তুমি অসমীয়াত ক'ব বিচাৰা তেতিয়া তুমি অসমীয়াতো ক'ব পাৰা দেই তুমি যেনেকে কমফৰ্টেবল হয় তেনেকে ক'বা বুজি পাইছা বেটা
Okay.
okay so do you know any particular swimming style or you just swim like do you know the different styles of swimming?
Yes, I know 4 styles of swimming, and there is also 4 styles. It is freestyle,
Okay,
breaststroke, backstroke, and butterfly.
so you know how to swim all the 4 styles?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you were swimming from Kharguli to Madhyam Khanda on 25th of October, so which style did you use to swim across?
I use freestyle and backstroke.
Okay, you used both the styles.
Yes.
Okay. So, so what was your training schedule like? I mean, every day you were practicing, or you're practicing sometimes, or how did it go?
Every day I practice in the swimming pool 2 hours and in the river 45 minutes or 1 hour.
Okay, after school.
Yes.
Okay. When did you first think that no, I have to swim the Brahmaputra? When did it first come to your mind?
When I started to learn swimming.
At that time only.
Yes.
Okay. So, did lockdown in any way help you to achieve what you have achieved? I mean, you know why I'm asking you this question? During lockdown, you did not have school, so you got some extra time to practice. Was it something like that happened?
Yes, when it was school, I does not practice daily in the river, but when it is lockdown,
Okay.
then I can practice every day.
So I can say that lockdown has helped you to achieve your goal in some way.
Yes, yes,
Okay. So, do you do any other kind of exercise besides swimming just to keep yourself fit, or which would try to help you to swim across the river? Do you do any other kind of exercise, or
Yes.
what kind of exercise do you do?
If
Uh,
I jump
but
like this,
okay. Yeah, okay.
jumping,
You
running like this.
oh, you do that?
Yes, physical exercises.
Okay, very good. So I also want to find out from you that before doing this, so you must have decided, no, about say 15 days or 1 month ahead that no, on in October we will try and cross the Brahmaputra. You must have decided at some point in time, isn't it?
No.
No, it happened just suddenly on 25th. You thought that okay, today we are going. Oh, is it like that? All right, excellent.
Yes.
So okay, very good. So it happened instantly for you.
Yes,
I
it
also
happened suddenly.
Okay. Before we go ahead, I would like to tell all the viewers that if you have any questions to Komal, you can write it to us so that we can take the answers from Komal. So, viewers, whoever are watching us, if you have any questions for Komal, do write to us. Okay, Komal, uh, to be able to swim across the Brahmaputra, do you think that you had to make some special effort towards your eating? I mean, did you think about eating more healthy so that you would be able to cross? So was there any change in your food habit?
No.
No. So you were
It
eating
is same
normally
only.
what you were. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Um, so before 25th October, okay, did you also earlier do any trial to cross this river on 25th October? It happened. Okay, you successfully crossed from Kharguli to Madhyam Khanda. But
Yes.
before 25th October, did you also make some other trials which might have been successful or unsuccessful?
Trials
Have you
not, but
understood
I
my
practice.
question?
Yes. Trials not, but
Hmm.
I practice every day on 3:30 for 45 minutes or 1 hour with my father.
Okay, but you did not as such do a trial from Kharguli to Madhyam Khanda.
No.
Okay, that was the only day and you did it successfully in 28 minutes. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, now when you were crossing the Brahmaputra, when you started from Kharguli, what was the thought that was in your mind? When you were standing in the Kharguli Ghat and you are about to get into the Brahmaputra, what was that thought in your mind?
I was thinking that I could reach the river into that bank very fast. With I cannot take much time, so I'm thinking like this.
Okay, so for our viewers, I like to tell you that Kamal had it in his mind only one goal, very focused, like the eye of the fish, that I have to reach the other bank in the shortest possible time was the only thing that was in his mind. That's
Yes.
amazing. That's excellent. That indicates how focused he has been in his journey. So, Kamal, when you were into the water and you were swimming towards Madhyam Khanda, so you have
Yes.
already got into the water, you have left Kharguli Ghat, and you have not reached Madhyam Khanda, and you are in between. So,
Yes.
at that point in time, what was the thought that came to your mind? Were you scared? Were you afraid? Were you had this thought that, did you have this thought that whether I will reach? What was the thought in your mind?
I was scared sometime, but I reached safely in the Mochong Ghat.
So, for the viewers, I would like to tell you that डर के आगे जीत है. He did have some fear, but then he overcame his fear, and with his focused efforts, he managed to reach North Guwahati in mere 28 minutes, which is indeed a fantastic job which Kamal has done. Uh, So I would like to ask you, Kamal, that I have heard that you have got a President Award earlier.
Yes,
So tell us something about it. How did you, what did you do to get this award and how did it happen? Tell us everything about this.
it was 5th September 2018. We came from boat
Okay.
in the middle of the river only. The boat crashed
Mhm.
and I saved my mother and aunt. Then on
Okay.
2020, the president gave me National Bravery Award on 26th January.
So how did it happen? So you were traveling from in a ferry, in a boat.
Yes,
Okay. From which place to which place you were traveling?
from Pan Bazar to Moitam Khanda.
Okay, you had gone to Guwahati. You had gone to Guwahati and you were coming back home.
Yes,
Okay. So in between, the boat crashed and your mother and your aunt, they fell in the river.
river.
So what did you do? You jumped into the river?
Yes, I swim and save my mother and aunt.
So, I mean, you did not feel scared to jump into the river suddenly in the middle of Brahmaputra?
No,
Okay. And how did you save them? I mean, what happened after that? You jumped into the river. Your mother knows swimming?
no.
Oh my God, then that was a very difficult thing to do. So then you jumped into the river and then you pulled your mother and your aunt and brought them
Yes,
where? Where did you bring them? Because the boat had already crashed.
yes. There was a water supply board. There I kept my mother and aunt.
Okay, okay, okay. So after that, you were awarded the President's Award for
Award.
National Bravery Award, right? Oh God,
Yes.
Kamal, that's amazing, Kamal. That's amazing. Keep up this hard work and the courage that you have. So courage does not mean that you are not afraid. It means that you overcome your fear to do something great in life. And that is what Kamal has done. For all our viewers, please motivate him, inspire him with your comments, and do because Kamal had made Assam proud. Kamal has made each one of us proud. So, Kamal, along with this, I want to ask you a couple of questions about yourself. Can I ask you? So,
Yes.
what is your aim in life?
My aim is life is to play national and go more up in swimming, and also I want to become a doctor.
So, you want to become a doctor as well as play national swimming championship kind of thing.
Yes.
You want to play for India.
Yes.
Okay, that's excellent. So, what's your immediate goal? Do you have some immediate goal like that? You know, I have right now crossed Brahmaputra from Kharguli to Madhyam Khanda. So, ठीक है. At one point in time, I want to go to a national level, but immediately I am looking at doing this. Is there something else in your mind right now?
No.
Nothing in your mind. Okay, now one question I have, that you have come from Kharguli to Madhyam Khanda in 28 minutes. Do you think you will be able to go back from Madhyam Khanda to Kharguli in the same time?
I will try to go.
Okay, you will try, but you have not tried as of now.
No.
Okay, excellent. What's your hobby, Kamal? What do you like to do in your free time?
It is playing, running, playing, studying, reading books, these all things.
You like to read storybooks?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like to read comics or storybooks or what? Or what kind of books?
I like to read poem books, storybooks like this one.
You like to read poems? All
Yes.
right. So, okay. So, do you like to watch movies?
Sometimes.
You do watch. So, who is your favorite actor?
Yes.
who is your favorite actor?
Varun Dhawan, Shah Rukh Khan, like this.
Okay, very good. So, um, since you say that you like to read poem books, so
Yes.
will you recite a small poem for all our viewers?
Yes, I want to tell the poem of Ellie Thayer, and my title of my poem is For every hill I have to climb, for every hill I have to climb, for every stone that burns my feet, for all the blood, sweat and grime, for bleeding hearts and burning feet, my heart sing but a grateful song. These were the things that made me strong. Thank you.
Oh wow, Kamal, that's lovely. Very nice, very nice, very nice. It's lovely. Uh, so what suggestion you would have for those children who would like to become swimmers like you? Can you give them an advice or a suggestion?
I have to tell them that they have to think and dream. They have to think big and dream big and also do hard on it.
Very nice. So dreaming big is the first
Yes,
step to success from Kamal.
yes,
And then
yes,
hard work. There is no shortcut to hard work, is what he's saying. Kamal, it was
yes.
wonderful talking to you. Do you have any questions? Do you want to ask us any questions?
No.
Okay. So it was wonderful talking to you. You have done a very, very brave. It was a brave achievement, I would like to say. You have made all of us proud. God bless you. Keep shining.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
viewers, for watching us. Please do watch the video. It will be available on our page, Exploring the Gold Mine. And please leave your comments and your likes for Kamal Krishna. Thank you.